sky.
All right, are you ready to see the grass and sky again?
Have some space.
You're awesome.
Maybe. Okay. We are going.
Okay.
Ready?
1,
2, 3.
This guy always goes sideways.
I know.
That's a little bit of tilt.
Okay, stand up and try to walk back. You guys gotta try to stand up and run uphill as fast as you can. Look at this. Nice. A little crooked. All right.
Okay, come on.
That was good. You're doing very good.
Mission accomplished.